I invite all of you to take a look at this picture on the screen. So this is a painting done by Diniti Aditya, a first-year medical student, in a competition conducted by the anatomy department called Anatomy. And this entry won the most amount of votes. So this is a first-year student. I think even she's trying to say something. She's a very wise student, as you can see. Her name is Diniti. So many Dinitis are performing here today as well, madam. So you know, they're thinking like this. I thought that was very interesting to share with you. So I now come to Inoka. The work of medicine, as one of the young doctors said in their segment as well, it's not something you can switch off. You can't switch off your patients the way you switch off a file or a computer. You carry some of it there. How does somebody handle this in their life as a doctor?
First of all, let me thank Santusha and the Department of Humanities for inviting me. I got this invitation several times, but I'm sorry I couldn't make it. And I'm envious of the students who are at present in the faculty because we didn't have this. So you all are very lucky that you have this way of learning with art and aesthetics. So answering to your question, Santu, switching off. I think whether it's medicine or law or accountancy or engineering, anybody can go to the mood or the mode of not switching off. But when we look at the philosophy of life, medicine is a science and an art which deals with human life and life processes. So if you look at the philosophy of life, the events just flow at work, at home, as well as anything in between work and home. So the events flow and they will come and go. But what happens is we get hold on to them and we create a story around these events. So we find it difficult to switch off from one event to the other event. Therefore, if we learn the art of let this flow as naturally, we don't need to actively switch off from what we are doing previously. So we work, we are in the present moment in the work, being aware. You asked Professor Pathiran, Aloka Pathiran, whether he was aware of the discomforts or when he was not balanced. So if you're aware and if you're being able to let that thing go, you don't need to switch off because things naturally switch off. But in medicine, of course, because it's a process of life, it's all over. You can't separate the life and work because we are humans. We are all humans. At the end of the day. So we all can feel these ups and downs. So as long as we train ourselves to go with the flow and be in the present moment, at a given time we will not be wondering about the past or be anxious of the future. So we will be able to switch off.
We are going to talk more about this in our segment to come.